was inside of the vehicle. He was on the side of the defendant, and he has said things like angry, aggression to describe how the defendant was acting, and all of that's really important. But tell me what you think about where we are so far in cross-examination and the prosecution's case.
Sure thing. So as for where we are specifically right now, I love the cross-examination that's going on. This particular defense attorney is trying to establish that the situation was dangerous and that it's reasonable to use force, specifically self-defense or defense of others. He got some amazing admissions, things like, so you thought there was no way out of the situation? Yeah. There's a question about, did you believe that you would be subject to great bodily harm after some clarification? Yes. Was everyone here terrified? Yes. These are some great admissions that I fully expect will absolutely come out on the defense's closing statement.
Do you think that that changes things? Because he had a pretty strong direct examination for the state, where he really talked about all of the things that he saw from Valley, that Valley was angrier than they were, that he was really looking for a fight and aggressive and got out of the car, not just wanting to talk, but really wanting to do something to these other students. Do you think there's enough happening on cross that it could change what the jurors thought about on direct?
Good question. This particular situation, I think not necessarily. I think we're going to need just a little bit more, potentially some great explanation regarding Valley's state of mind, why he thought a knife was necessary, and potentially even Valley to testify himself to fully explain why it was necessary to not only use force, but to use an actual knife.
Alan Kagawa, excellent analysis. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. We will see you soon, we know. Coming up when we come back from the break, we're going to have more of this testimony in the prep school.